Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone from seeing your TikToks. So before we start with the video, please subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So let's open up your TikTok app and let's just record whatever. Once you have recorded whatever, before you post it, you can see that it says everyone can view, but you don't want that. You only want your friends, so followers that follow you back, or only you. And of course you can set this as a default audience, so make sure you do that. And you can see now it has been posted. Same thing, just make sure to click that and all good. Another way is that you can always block specific people. So let's say I want to block them from seeing my TikToks. Click on the top right on this share icon and you would block this person. Click on block and that's it. Now they can see your TikToks. Another way is go to your settings on the top right, hamburger menu, settings and privacy. Click on privacy and click on a private account. When a private account, only users you approve can follow and watch your videos. Your existing followers won't be affected. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in Shopify, I have a link in the description where you can get it only for $1 1 month.